Welcome to my channel. My name is Silinthia, and I'm a mom who's trying to get her family to financial freedom. I have a part-time job. I also have an Etsy shop with I am Cassie J Budgets and Vlogs. I'll link our shop as well as the freebie for the month of January down below so you can grab it. I want to complete a cash stuffing for my sinking funds, and I want to get it up by tomorrow. So here's to hoping. But I really would like to see those funds out of my savings challenge binder and into my sinking funds binder. I want to see some progress happening. And I'm pretty excited about all the saving taking place to set me up to succeed. But let's count up what we're stuffing today. We have 5, 10, 15, and we need to get change for that. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, $25 today. Yay! We have $25 that we're going to work with. And I'm going to hush my face and try to find dollars. Alright, so I think what we're going to go ahead and do is shuffle this cash up. We're just going to have a $5 spicy, a couple $2 spices, and we're going to mix it in here with the rest of these bills in hopes to maybe get some action and also try to get some saving going. So I have 2 dice here because I have 8 envelopes. I want to make sure that I am giving myself a fair shake to be able to get possibly some money in all of my envelopes, but we'll see how that goes. So what I'm going to do is roll 1 die, 2 die, 1 die, 2, like that, okay? We're going to see how this all works out. So the first 2. We're just going to grab 2 bills. Oh, already up to the 5. Okay. 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is that 5? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. Alright, so grabbing 2 bills there, and then we're going to roll 1, 4, 1, 2, we're going to roll 2, 7, 8, 7, 1, 2, 1, 5, 8, 7, 6. Ooh, we have an IOU. I forgot all about that, and I just looked at it. Okay, so that was 8, 7, 6, 5, 1, 2, and we need to put this $3. 1, 2, 3 for this IOU, so we can make sure we have our stuff together. I believe the last amount we rolled was a 5 or something like that. We'll figure it out. We'll figure it out. Okay, was that 1 roll? I confused myself with that. 5. These aren't numbered, which I really keep saying I'm going to number them, and I need to. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one may be finished. 1 and 2, and then we'll roll 1 dice. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 5, 6, 7. So this one's completed. So we're gonna stop messing around and move on from 5. Okay. So 5 is done. We still have to roll 1 dice. 3. Okay. 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2. Okay, no 12, huh? No 11. All right, 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. $2. Okay, this is a mess. Okay, 1. All right, 1, 2, and $4. Or number 4 is getting the last dollar. That was 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so we made it work. I do need to get an 8-sided die, especially if I'm going to have 8 envelopes. I could have grabbed my player's cards. The only thing is those usually I end up with an IOU more often than not. So I try to avoid that at all costs. So my first savings challenge is from Budgeting BZ. We're adding $2 here. Taken me quite a while to save this $20, but it's totally worth it. So we have 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 bucks here. All right, we are putting $4 into our holiday savings challenge from S&C Budget Creations. 1, 2, 3, 4. And this one's going to be a little bit longer. I anticipated this one taking me at least through the end of January. So we'll see how that goes. 20, 25, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38 bucks. All right, so we've got $2 going into our Simply Tea Savings Challenge. This is The Princess and the Frog, Believe in Magic. This savings challenge now has 5, 6, 7 bucks. And we are putting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bucks into our back to school savings challenge from S&C Budget Creations. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Only needs 4 more bucks and it's finished. Yay! All right, so we have 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, $16. Next up, we have 7 bucks going into our Harmony Savings Challenge. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, $7. And this savings challenge is from S&C Budget Creations, and we've now completed it, saving us a total of 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, $16. Love to see it. I will put it with my completed savings challenges so we can get a reallocation going. I'm going to pull this savings challenge from Hot Beauty Budgets, and it was a freebie, and I did print it small because, like I've mentioned before, I had every intention of putting my saving challenges into a smaller binder, but I didn't end up doing that. And it does have each symbol as $4. But I think what I'm going to do is wipe that out and figure out which denomination works for me. So the next time we come together, I'll be ready to do that one. All right, so we're going to go ahead and just add this $3 from our IOU. This savings challenge is the freebie that you will see linked down below. It is a collaboration freebie we're doing for the month of January. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. We should have 4 hearts total. 1, 2, 3, 4. Perfect. And I've mentioned before that I did join a collaboration where we are supporting each other's YouTube channels, and that is part of that journey, is having that freebie. So we're adding $2 here to our Wicked Savings Challenge from Suns and Roses. And let's see, do I have a $2? I do not have $2 on here. So let me see, did I put any other money away? No. Okay. So I don't have a 2 on here. And so what I want to do is, I have 2 $1. Let's color those in. And should I do them all? I'm going to do them all yellow. So this savings challenge is actually, if you look at the numbers, I don't know if you can actually see it, they're bigger numbers than what my budget is typically used to. So what I decided, if there's 2 numbers on the butterfly, I would add the numbers together. So 1 plus 0 is 1, so we have $1 there, and 1 plus 0 is 1. We have another $1, so that's $2. So this is definitely not going to save me the original amount that it was supposed to, but now we have 4 bucks. 1, 2, 3, $4, and I want to put this in here. The envelope and the savings challenge are the freebie, and I could not resist. I don't know why, it was just like I have to have the envelope. It's not necessary, but it does look really cute. So we're going to go ahead and save those $4. And my last savings challenge is from Betty Bankroll, and shouldn't get any love today. I don't know what's up with that. I gotta do better. Getting some love to that savings challenge, because New Year's is coming and leaving, and she's still sitting there in all her beauty. And I do have a couple of other New Year's savings challenges I wanted to put into rotation. I think if necessary, I'm just going to continue on through February, because I was thinking more like along the lines of Valentine's Day, or Black History, or something like that. But we've gone ahead and stuffed our Freebie Friday savings challenges. Some of them are from our shop, S&C Budget Creations. Typically, you'll find them in our community tab, or we will release them in a video, so you'll want to have your notifications on if you want freebies. Also, I do like to support other shops, so I'm going to try to make sure that I keep those other channels, freebies, in my rotation as well. We're taking care of our $3 IOU, and for those of you who have been paying attention, you know that I have an IOU in my other binder as well. Ugh. And I hope that I remember before I go spending up all the money doing these cash stuffing. So anyway, that's it for now, guys. I want to thank you all so much for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. All of the things that can keep us connected. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.